Here is a System 11 setup for a game that I've still yet to play. This is gotta be like High Speed number 20. But anyways, so we went ahead, resocketed both the 6802s, resocketed all four of the ROMs, socketed and installed NVRAM here on the board. We've got two 10 UF capacitors here in the sound section, as well as a 100 and a 470, and then three 100 UF power input filter capacitors, a 22 UF here in the reset. We've got a brand new square pin header, which is a 0.156 here for the power input. God, it's been a long day. So board came in, it was actually missing SR18 and SR19, which was strange. So I went ahead and populated both of those. Here in the special solenoids, we had a locked on transistor, which I'll roll in a picture of that. So we have two TIP 122s, and then also two N4401s here that have been replaced. And whenever this transistor blew up, it actually took out U50, so that's been replaced as well as socketed. And then we also did have a makeshift SIP resistor that was put onto the board at one point. I went ahead and just put a regular SIP resistor in place, and I believe that covers everything. Let's go ahead and get this thing started. So I've got NVRAM installed, so we don't have any audits or factory settings or whatever that pops up. And we've got the lamp matrix dancing, and the coil that you see on there is the coin lockout. And we'll go ahead and throw this thing in the test. So with my soundboard being installed there, we've got the music coming off, and then into display test. So we've got alphanumerics on top, and then just the numeric on the bottom. And pull over. Here's all the sounds into all the lamps. And obviously all the single lamps are working. And moving over into the solenoids. So WMS High Speed did not multiplex the solenoids here, so it's just the standard 16, and as well as the specials here, which there are 6 that are being computer driven now, and as well as being triggered by switches, and those are all working correctly. And moving into the switch test, so we'll go through testing both rows and columns diagonally through the switch matrix, and the last switch in high speed is switch 52 there, and adjustment 23 is going to be your free play setting, which I've already got set to yes. And there we are, 100% ready to go. And we've got a sound test that we can do off the board, but that's all you get from that, which is pretty annoying. But there we are, 100%. Thank you so much.